Hi testers, welcome to Hexaware. Selenium and Ruby related questions for 3 to 7 years experience. Testing section. So first question is, what are the steps you take before doing a testing to your project? So we can go through the documents, we can prepare for the test cases, we can schedule the modules. Based on the modules, we can schedule test cases, and we read test case documents, prepare for the manual testing, and we can separate what are the items we are going to do with the automatic testing. All those things we will do before starting a project. Based on the sprint, we will evaluate our testing cases, test cases, and modules. So those things we need to explain. Automation testing. So how automation testing is better than manual testing? We need to explain the cases. And second one is, what is SOAP UI? How to make REST API testing using SOAP UI. So now those options are available in SOAP UI. Third one is, what are the HTTP methods you are aware of? So we have basic methods like get, put, post, delete. Those methods we need to explain here. Manual testing. So first question is, can I write sample test case for threads? So it's for the Instagram application. So Instagram has a recent application called Threads. So we need to write a sample test cases for the home page of the Threads page. And the second one is, how each version builds you test and get uploads from your test leads or managers. So for each versions, each builds we will write our own test cases. We can prepare multiple documents for each cases, or we can, in the same document, we can put different version numbers, build numbers, and we can pass our test cases there over there. So those things we need to explain in detail here. Selenium. So what are the Selenium WebDriver Chrome options available? How to use SSL certificates using Chrome options? So you must be aware of Selenium WebDriver Chrome options. Second one is, what are Selenium components? So there are some basic components of Selenium available, including WebDriver. So those things we need to explain here. Third one is, how to store JSON data to a variable in Selenium IDE. And fourth one is, what are Selenium WebDriver locator strategies? Fifth one is, how to handle forms in Selenium WebDriver. So these are all basic Selenium commands, Selenium WebDriver based questions. So you must just be aware of this and prepare for this. Ruby questions. So they are using Selenium along with Ruby instead of Python or Java. So the questions are based on Ruby. So first one is, write an example condition of ternary operator. How it is useful over regular if conditions. So regular if else conditions, we know nowadays many people are using ternary operators in many languages and technologies. So we need to explain about the question mark colon, how you are setting conditions for that, how you set multiple conditions in that one. Second one is, what are Ruby defined operators. Third one is, what are Ruby hashes. Explain hash built-in methods. So hash has separate built-in methods. So we need to explain that one. Fourth one is, what are string inbuilt methods available. So string based inbuilt methods we need to explain. The questions. First one is, how you report with your testing team leads, managers. How tasks, use cases, sprints, jobs, stories assigned to you. So this is a multiple question asked in a single way. So this is how we report actually to our testing team lead or managers, like that, and how our stories are taken, how the sprints are handled, how the use cases are handled. And then second one is, do you have separate reporting tools? Actually, we have separate reporting tools in our organization, so we are taking about that. But in some of the organization, they use Jira itself. So if there is a tool like that, we can report those things also. Third one is, how you collaborate your work in Jira. Explain how you done this. Explain tracking mechanism. So Jira is a good backtracking mechanism, good backtracking tool. So we can create bugs in that one, and we can track the life cycle easily in the Jira, and we can use sprint process also in the Jira, and it is useful for us to show to the client also easily. So these things we need to explain. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Testing Labs here to use it.